kumini lokugcina kuleli babumeya nobabili ninobaba Abdullah ngithe coalition bheke baza kuyinyakazisa kodwa behlulekile so anisabi MK ukuthi kungenzeka
ngicabanga ukuthi iMK ne-ANC into eyodwa so ukuvuka kweMK akusifaki thina idwedwe siyazi futhi umhlonishwa uZuma ukuthi uhlobo luni lomuntu angasbrainwasha nje ukuthi athi ushiya ANC siyazi ukuthi akukho umuntu oshiya ANC lana i-ANC in disguise nje iyafana ne-EFF konke ANC yonke nje leyo so nje asinayo inkinga bebeve ukube nithi mhlawumbe kuzofika abanye abantu from overseas maybe so ngikhuluma abantu laba bavele bekhona lana thina sikushoyo lapha kukodwa ukuthi siyahamba siyolanda iprovince yaKwaZulu Natal ngo-2024 asigcini lapho siyohlenga imali eningi yabantu amabhiliyoni lawa afakwa lapha kulesi sishamthetho esisemarisburg so bandlululo ngoba phela bathi bayike sasolulu ngoba ethi so bandlululo asazi lesa sisemarisburg samabhunu ukuthi sona isani njengamanje siyothatha iprovince sithatha isishaya mthetho sisibuyisela olundi fanele bakwazi lokho bakubhuphe bazi ukuthi sishilo ukuthi isishaya mthetho siyathutha sibheka ondini ngeke ozayo bebe beqoqana namasangana konke amabili sifune mabili lapha bebe belungisa lapha siyongena lapha eParliament thina lapha laKwaZulu Natal
so ngebandla ngisho sebe MK
ngisho bangaba yini noma bangaba umbimbi futhi ngeke besasenza lutho njengoba sihamba nalensizwa ye-DA nje siqonde khona ukubatshela ukuthi i-DA ne-IFP baready ukusithatha manje isifundazwe simngomumo hayi isifundazwe kuphela nakhona lapha ku-national kusafanele bacabange kaningi phela njengoba sizwe nje kuthiwa behlela ko-42% sibona ukuthi kusekuncane lokwehla basazokwehla behlela ko-30 bani bese thina sithatha futhi ukhetho lapha ku-national
I just need to correct and put things into perspective.
Yeah.
Whether it's MK, ANC, EFF, you know, you must look after your own house. And that's what we're focusing on. Hard work within ourselves so that we get success. When you start worrying about others, then you lose focus in your own. And also, we've got a policy in place of a working relationship with the IFP and the DA. We want to make sure that that working policy for a service delivery, that's a service delivery pack for the province, we want to see that thing materializing, number one. Number two, we want to make it work because we want to see the change in the province and the country at large. And our partners will also play the role with us. They are our working partners, and we will prove to the country when we have the provincial and national elections, let that be the true, what you call, success of our story. And I maintain that 1 plus another 1 is equal to a win. And that is what we will always be standing by. Thank you.